This page gets 64 million views of the reel, and I'm about to show you how to steal their secret. Flash after flash of viral Tsunami clips hitting 64 million, 54 million views. AI Reel Hub is absolutely dominating Instagram and YouTube. Every single video blowing up. But here's the craziest part, these viral machines, they take just 5 minutes to make, and the creators are cashing in thousands without even trying. You're probably thinking, nah, this has to be fake. But wait, what if I told you anyone can do this? Yes, even you, even today. No skills, no editing, no expensive gear. Just one free website, 5 minutes of your time, and you're riding viral waves straight to the bank. Want proof? Stay locked in. I'm revealing exactly how at the end, but first, here's why this works. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, they're addicted to Tsunami clips. Fast, emotional, shareable. These videos are like a cheat code for free money if you post daily. People are literally quitting their jobs after pulling in $3,428 or more from these clips. And if you even blink during the next 1 minute, you'll miss the exact steps that could explode your account overnight. Ready?
Before we get started, let me share something exciting with you. If you are tired of spending hours making long videos and not getting the views you want on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, this tool is just what you need. It's called Nexus Clip, and it's a total game changer. With this amazing AI tool, you can easily turn your long videos into short, catchy ones that get more views. You can also add automatic subtitles with just one click to make your video stand out even more. And here is the best part: once you've edited your video, just click the share button to download it. Nexus Clip will even create the title, description, and category for you. No extra effort is needed. You can directly upload your shorts or TikToks without even opening those apps. This tool makes everything so easy and fast. Now that you know about Nexus Clip, let's get started with today's video.
Ready? Now, you need to give ChatGPT a specific prompt for this kind of video. I've added the exact prompt link in the description below. Just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then automatically give you 10 prompts. We'll use one of those prompts to generate our image. To generate the image, I use two AI tools, Leonardo AI and Ideogram AI. The results are really good. Now we'll use one of those prompts to create our image. Choose the best one, and we'll turn that into a video, a viral Tsunami video. Go to Leonardo AI and Ideogram AI, click on the Generate Image, and paste your selected prompt there. Next, select the image ratio. Choose 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok and Shorts. Then, select your preferred model and hit the Generate button. Your image will start generating. If you don't like the result, you can click Regenerate to try again. I quickly generated an image, but as you can see, it's not very good. So, at the top left corner, you'll see many different models. You can choose any model you like, and for example, the Flux model or others. Select a better model to improve your image quality. Once you get a good image, you also need to use Ideogram AI. First, sign up and log in. Then paste your prompt into the prompt box and click the Generate button. Make sure to set the image ratio to 9:16 and select the Realistic Style option from Ideogram to get the best results. After that, download your best images. I quickly repeated this process and saved the best images to my device. You should do the same. Once your images are saved, we are ready for the next step. Now the next step is to turn our images into a viral video. For this, you need to use Kling AI. After opening Kling AI, you'll see an effects option on the side. Simply click on it. Then, go to the Image to Video section. Here, upload the image you created earlier using Leonardo AI or Ideogram AI. After uploading the image, scroll down to find the prompt box. Paste your prompt into the box. Next, scroll down a little more and set the video duration. You can choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds for the video clip. Finally, click the Generate button. In just 2 to 3 minutes, your video will be ready. While your video is getting ready, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, as you can see, our video is ready. You need to create 4 to 5 videos like this. Usually, 1 or 2 videos will turn out really good and go viral. The others might not be perfect, but that's normal. Once your video is ready, you'll see 3 more options: lip sync video, video extend, and AI sound. If you want to add sound effects to your video, click on AI sound. This will open a new page where AI will generate sound effects for you. Just paste your prompt, click the generate button, and the sound effects will be added automatically. Finally, download your video and you're done. If you don't want to use Kling AI, you can also use Hailuo AI. It's very simple. Just drag and drop your image here, paste the same prompt, and click on the generate button. Your video will be ready in a few minutes. Once the video is ready, simply download it. No doubt, Hailuo AI creates really good videos, but keep in mind, the videos won't have any sound effects. So we'll add sound effects manually. First, open CapCut. We'll do a little editing and add sound effects. Click on New Project and import your video. Add the video to your timeline. To get sound effects, open ChatGPT, paste the given prompt, and press Enter. ChatGPT will give you 5 to 6 sound effect prompts within a few seconds. Use these prompts in 11 labs to generate the sound effects. Download the sound effects, then come back to CapCut and continue editing. Import the sound effects into your timeline, adjust them with your video, and your video will now be complete with sound. If you want to add more effects, you can do that too to make your video even better. Once you're happy with everything, click on the export button. Your final video is ready. Now, just upload it to your social media. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's check out how our final video looks.